Hello. Got everything done on the right side of the car for the panel for the A-post. Really just rough fit the door. A little bit of manipulation. Got the tank sitting up. Again, got this side done. I don't know how dark it'll be, but you can see that that's been all fixed, as well as this side. So, a day of progress, and gonna try to take Ryan to the airport, see if he can fly back to Grand Rapids, and my father's gonna go in and take a nap.
Actually, I'm going. Well, never mind.
So, that's where we are today. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.